I have the two servo bays done. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a bay for my Dragon Link, a bay and a channel, the channels for my wires, and after that I can go ahead and start laminating. Alright, I'm just aligning it because I don't want it to be too close to the winglet. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut a little hole here and embed the antenna in. So this way it's leaning against the winglet. Okay, I'm gonna follow the spar line that I have here, and that's gonna do my I'm gonna use exactly the same copper wire that I used for the base, but instead of dragging it this way, I'm just gonna go in, take it out, go in, take it out, probably a couple, 2-3 times. Alright, where are we? Alright, so what I did, I made my hole, and then I just flattened the bottom a little bit. Now I'm just going to cut the edge so it's nice and clean. And then my Dragon Link fits inside perfectly. The antenna SMA connector here still sticks just a touch too high, and I wanted to bring it down, which is not a big deal. Just score the bottom of it. Alright, much better. Now it's nice and snug. I'm just gonna clear up a little bit more for the servo wires. Just like that. So I got my Dragon Link bay, I got my servo bays, I got my video transmitter bay, and now the last thing I want to do is I want to do a nice thick channel here for all the wires that are going, all the servo wires that are going to come back here. For this one, okay. So my servo wire is coming from here, and I'm going to bring it to this point. And from this point, it's gonna go straight line into the bay. Kind of straight. There we go. And from this point, I want it over here. gonna be my servo channel. Servo, did I say servo wire channel? I'm gonna double the width of it because I'm gonna have a lot of wire going there. So I do it once and then I go back and just do it again. Now over here I'm not gonna go all the way. I'm just gonna go up to about ½ an inch before the bay, and then I'm gonna melt a hole inside. I want it nice and clean. I don't want anything. That's good. That's good. Alright, yeah. I need to do this one. The servo wire. There we go. Now I have my major bays all done and my channels all made. Later on, what I'm going to do after I'm going to start placing everything and all the wires, I'm going to take the same thing. I'm going to have my heat gun, my soldering iron that I'm going to use to make the holes. Just melt them right through the foam so I can get all the wires inside, and then I can have a nice clean cover on top of the wing. And right now the next step for me would be to laminate it. So